Hey friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to access Disney Plus on your smart TV. Now I'm using a TCL Roku TV, as you can see up here, but the process is going to be very similar for other smart TVs. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so what we're going to do on our Roku TV is actually install the Disney Plus app. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go to streaming channels. And once I do that, I'm actually going to hit the search channels option. And we're going to go over and we're going to actually type in Disney Plus. So I'm going to do D, and actually that will bring it up automatically down here. So now that we know that's the one we want, I'm going to go ahead and click Add Channel. And this is going to add the channel for us based off of how fast our download speeds are. You can see it went pretty quick for me. And we want to add it to the home. Click OK. And let's go back to home. So now that we're at home, we can actually scroll down. You can see Disney Plus is down here. I'm going to click on this. Now again, I've already signed up for Disney Plus, which allows me to just log in. If you want to know how to do that, I'll actually put a link in the description box below. I did it on my laptop. It just makes things a little bit easier than typing in things using your remote on your smart TV. All right, so the channel is loading here, and we're going to get a first look in just a second. All right, here we go. So again, you can either start your free trial, or I'm going to go ahead and log in because I already have my login information. So give me a sec to do this, and then we'll get a first look at the actual platform. Okay, after you enter your email, you're going to enter your password on this screen. Okay, we've got our password typed in. I'm going to hit the continue button. All right, it's going to pull up some profiles here. Again, I've made a few for my family members. Let's click on my profile. And here we go. Here's the platform. It looks absolutely great. Again, really smooth, really easy to use. You can see you can select items via the branding like Marvel. And we're going to get all sorts of Marvel options here for us, including shows, movie adventures, Spider-Verse. This is really great. Again, it kind of just navigates like Netflix, where you can scroll up to the section that you want and then go ahead and scroll through the specific movies that you may want to watch. I'm going to hit the back button, and let's go over to Star Wars. All right, there we go. You can see that, again, here's series, movies, shorts, all available in the Star Wars universe. They've got all sorts of Star Wars movies here. It does not look like they have every single Star Wars movie at this point, but again, here are the two latest ones that are available right now. I believe Solo is also available here too, but I may need to do a little more searching. Okay, kind of like Netflix, if you need to access your profile information, just come over here to the right, or excuse me, come over here to the left. And you can access your watch list, movies, series, original, and settings down here if you wanted to go to account information. All right, friends, I hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button and stay tuned. We got a lot more tutorial videos that are coming up really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching.